Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a homemade remedy-esque face mask. It basically consists of toothpaste. It said water, but I've heard that lemon is good for your skin, so I'm gonna use lemon instead, and salt, and that's literally it. That's it. Okay, so why? I made the face mask. I'm gonna spill some tea. Sorry if I'm looking down. It's because I have the directions and stuff on my computer, so it's not anything weird or whatever. But yeah, make sure I put this on and get this out of my face. This is literally the jankiest hat. Cute. No. Anyway, so let me make this. I don't really... Actually, no, tea, yeah. So, anyway, Tana Mojo got married. That was a thing that happened to the world. And for the record, for the longest time, I didn't know if that was actually a thing, because people were saying it was a scam. I mean, I think it is a scam. And then people were saying it was real, but I'm 90% sure it's a scam. Go on. Go on. Sorry, I'm pouring the lemon. The reason why I'm so certain that it's a scam is because I didn't find this out till after the fact, but she started charging people, well, I shouldn't say she, both of them, made people pay, I guess, to watch the stream. And it wasn't cheap either. It was literally $45 or $49, and that's kind of a lot for a sham wedding. Ew, it's gritty and disgusting. Look at that. Ew, can you even see it? Ew. Ew. Oh! Well, that's great. Spilled that all over my top. Love that. Ew, it's ew. Look, it's a nasty, it looks kind of cummy.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
That's disgusting. Anyway, back to the little sham wedding. Yeah, no, they charge people $49 to watch their wedding, and then apparently the actual quality wasn't great. I'm gonna put more toothpaste. Apparently the quality wasn't good, and so people were complaining and wanted to get refunds, which obviously, no offense, but you're kind of stupid if you really thought it was a smart idea to pay $45 to watch them get married. But nonetheless, it happened. And that's the other thing too. First of all, if it was a real wedding, I feel like you wouldn't make people pay to watch it. Just throwing that out there. But on top of that, the guy who officiated the wedding, and I don't even know how to explain it. I don't know how to say his name. It's Armani or Ermani or something like that. I don't know. I'll put a picture up. He officiated the wedding, but his, what am I saying? The guy who officiated their wedding has a full-on criminal record, and it's not anything petty, petty theft or something, I don't know, normal. He has a criminal record because he tied some girl up in his shower and did all these things. I'll put pictures on the screen because I'm really bad at explaining it, and I don't want to say something wrong. But if it's already out there, then I'm not doing anything wrong. And I don't know about anybody else, but when I think about friends or people I want at my wedding, I definitely don't think about somebody who ties women up in their shower and beats them. Just me, though. Ew. Ew, it tastes really bad. I'm really pissed if this doesn't do something. Ew. You guys see what kind of like... Anyway. So that definitely threw me off. I'm also kind of surprised she's associating with him. Because she's like super girl power and stuff. Which everybody should be, but to each their own. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, it's so gross. Anyway. What other tea do I have? I mean, other than that... Oh yeah, in like the seating situation, apparently there wasn't a lot of seats at all. And the like actual reception was like, not reception, that was somewhere else. What's it called? I don't know, the actual part where they like kiss and whatever. Literally was over in a few seconds. And then a fight broke out. I don't know. It was like an actual wedding. It definitely wouldn't or shouldn't have gone like that. But more people are just pissed about that $45, $49, whatever the fuck it is. I'll put it on the screen somewhere too. And I would be pretty pissed too, because that's a shit ton of money for a sham wedding. It's really thick. I mean, not thick. I mean, kind of. You look, see, wait. Like, that is probably in your dad's ball sack.
You better stop! Stop! Bitch, stop!
I also don't know how much you're supposed to put on. I'm just like covering whatever. I'm gonna let it sit. What other tea can I think of? I don't really know. I mean, I guess there's like beauty have been caught taking like smaller, I guess like influencers, makeup artists, basically taking content from smaller creators and trying to pass it off as their own, which I guess isn't anything new because that happens a lot. But I don't get, like, how hard is it? Okay, I think that's it. I don't understand, how hard is it to pop tag or whatever the fuck in your description or whatever the fuck you post it. I really don't get what's the shame taking inspiration from somebody else. But what's shady is when people take other people's ideas and then you get caught in scandals. Which is the other thing too, actually, I wanted to talk about. Is that, I know people say this a lot. Cute. I know people say this a lot. A lot of not creators. I guess. A lot of creators in general. It's really different from, like, the YouTube that I feel like we all grew up watching. Which I know everybody says that, and it's like, people have their own opinions. It's like, it should change, it shouldn't. But I feel like it's not even, it's just so much drama now. Like, nobody, and everything is being, like, recycled. It's just, like, a weird time. The only plus, I guess, is that, like, creators are making, like, money now for their work. But, I don't know. There's definitely some good and some bad. But I just get really baffled sometimes at some of the things I see. Like, a very particular influencer, who we will not name, was recently accused of his best friend. And I don't know about you, but isn't that a activity I associate with? Me and my friends enjoy going to park, going on night walks, not touching our friends' peepees while they're sleeping. Anyway, I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes-ish. Okay, sorry, I'm back. The light I was using, like, up here broke, I guess. So I don't know how great it looks, but y'all, I was showing a face mask a few minutes ago, but it's not that bad. I mean, it's not like fantastic. It's not like a lush face mask, but like for like a homemade face mask, it's really not that bad. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put everything down below if you want to do it. I don't think anybody's going to, but if you do, I'll put it down below.